Good morning, everyone, and welcome to ICSA live session, where we discuss the most exciting and relevant topics in today's digital world. I am Mariam, and I am thrilled to have you all here. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's the present, shaping the way we live, work, and interact daily. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, personalized recommendation, and chatbots. AI is everywhere. Business and industries worldwide are integrating AI to improve efficiency, automation, and decision making. So why learn AI? AI is revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, marketing, education, and IT. Companies are seeking AI experts for better innovation and growth. Learning AI boosts your career and helps you stay ahead in this tech-driven world. Join our AI courses at ICSA. At ICSA Kuwait, we are offering comprehensive AI courses designed for both beginners and for professionals. Whether you are looking to start a career in AI or enhance your existing skills, our expert-led courses will guide you through machine learning, data science, and AI-driven automation, and so much more. If you are interested in learning AI and being a part of the future, drop a yes or I am interested in the comments and we'll send you the details. You can also DM us or visit our website for more information. Don't miss out. AI is the skill of tomorrow, so start today. Stay tuned, stay innovative, and let's build a bright future together. Thank you.